Chibay ule soito thin nangin Election Commission of India in Mizoram Assembly in Thanpui vote share hun natana arwat December ni thum sangni somni pathum chu pathian ni Christian te ni poimo ani awanga hundanga sontura political party sang baka tohran le NGO te ngen na chu Election Commission of India lamin anti hlot lin theilo tur thu an soi hnuwa NGO Coordination Committee chuan hemi chungchang bo zuya Election Commission of India ho tu te soipui tur hian November ni somni pathum sangni somni pathum khan New Delhi an pana November ni somni pali sangni somni pathum khan Election Commission of India office akalin Chief Election Commissioner le Election Commissioner dangte an hmu theina turin an dora Chief Election Commissioner hian an deal na te chu lo pom sakin NGO Coordination Committee hroi tu te hi November ni somni pariat sangni somni pathum thole ni tlai tar thuma muturin hun alo siam sak ani kan soi to thina Election Commission of India hian December ni thum sangni somni pathuma vote share hun tura arwat hi Christian detan chuan sa kho ser le sang khoina ni pathian ni ani awangin October ni kwa sangni somni pathuma Mizoram in than hun tur puan ani a vote share ni atana pathian ni ruat ani awang khan atuk October ni sangni somni pathum khan political party sang ta chuan vote share hun tur hi son turin Election Commission of India lam how tu te hna ziakin an lo thlen to a political party then khat phei chuan voi khat mai du tok lovin voi ni lai in than hun son tura ngen na hi Election Commission of India how tu te hna hian an thlen hial ani political party mai baka Mizoram Kauran Shroi tu committee MKHC te point mala in vote share hun son ani ngei theina turin nasa takin ma anla a vote share hun son turin Election Commission of India hna hian ziakin an lo thlen to bok ani vote share hun atana pathian ni ruat ani chungchang hian social media lama in hnialna achok chuak na sa hle a mi then khatin pathian ni vote share chu apoina an hriat lo lain then khatero chuan sa khorin na nek chep na ngain son ngei tha anti thute an soi thung NGO Coordination Committee chuan pathian nia vote share hun tidanglam tura an ngen na in omzia anei lo zel chuan lungoi lo na lantir nan protest day nei an rel hiala kan ma hian enge lo thleng don hriat thiam har sari hle a Election Commission of India lam hian an ring anti khong lui tlat don nge chu tiang chu lo ni ta se NGO Coordination lamin protest day te puangin daudar na lantir mai pi lama vote share ni thlenga boycott te rel hial ta si se angtin nge kanom don hriat thiam a har sari hle ani